Monkey on the phone. Monkey! The downfall of the Mafia. Oh, I have lots of money. Monkey with the money. I am the mafioso. I run the mafia. Monkey in the mafia. That's how I get all the money, bro. That's so cool, bro. Hey boss. Our stocks are pretty low lately, man. I think we're going to go bankrupt if you do not do the mafia thing, like kill someone, man. Shut up, man. I don't care. I'm going to kill you. Monkey killed you. No. Guys, what is this? Monkey is confused. I don't know, boss. Okay, so it says right here, you have not been paying your taxes? What? Are you supposed to do that, bro? Hold on, let me calculate. Monkey on the calculator. What? This is stupid. Why do I have to pay the taxes, man? That's dumb. Boss, you didn't pay your taxes, so now the IRS are going to pull up to our house. Monkey in the jail. Yay!